Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of IPv6 connectivity no access error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to obviously restart your computer because that kind of flushes the IP address by itself and then gives you a new IP address. The next one is to run the network troubleshooter. Now, how will you run the network troubleshooter? I'll explain this. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. How would you update the network drivers? So right click, also search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the wireless network adapter and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is network reset. Now, here's why I suggest network reset other than other solutions, because network reset means you will flush the DNS, you will renew the IP addresses, you will reset WinSock all with one single command. So, isn't it good? Now, you need to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Click on network reset and select reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.